English Junior, January 1995. Get ready. Start. Sir, I thank all the honorable members who have taken part in this debate on the demand for industries. In the course of the debate, I have received praise as well as criticism. So far as the criticisms are concerned, I would like to make clear certain points. We should be happy that we are now coming up as one of the major industrialized countries in the world, and we can be proud of it. But if we take into consideration what we have still to achieve, I agree that we have achieved very little. But to say that we have not achieved anything is not correct. During the debate, mention was made about the progress that one of our neighboring countries had made. This is done to make it appear that we have not done anything. I think we should refer to other countries only to show what we have been able to achieve. No doubt, we know that no country in the world can be independent of the rest of the world. But if we look into the problems, we will find that no section of humanity has been able to solve them fully. So, I would say that the picture that we have to present to the world is that our country has made good progress. Today, we are one of the developed countries in the world. We are a developed country with a difference. We have still to develop a large part of the country, and we know that we have so much to do. The only thing is that we are now able to take up the work of improving the rest of the country with the resources that we have generated. I am sure that we shall be able to take up this task, but at the same time, I am not saying that it is easy. Now, it is true that for the first time we realize that once we produce goods, the demand is not the same as before. Till now, the demand was artificial. If we say that there is going to be shortage, the people will buy 3 months requirements immediately. On the other hand, if we tell them that all things are readily available, they will not do so. if we bear in mind the needs of the people of this country, what we are producing is not enough. Letter from the General Manager, Ashok and Company, Calcutta, to the Manager, Messrs. Babu and Company, Bombay. Dear Sirs, we are sorry to find from your letter that you are not satisfied with our latest consignment and that therefore you have returned it to us. In this connection, we would like to inform you that we had shown the articles to your agent and that the packing was done after he was satisfied with the articles. In view of this, we did not think that you could return the goods. In the circumstances, we request you to consult your agent and inform us of your decision. If you insist on the return of the consignment, we shall of course agree, as you are our valued and old customer. At the same time, we have to inform you that you will have to wait for at least 1 month, as we have to receive a fresh consignment from Lucknow. Yours faithfully. Stop.